In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on the Motorola Moto G87. So if you want to go to the recovery mode, first of all, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then you want to simply power off your phone and wait for the phone to completely shut down. Once that happens, you want to use the power button and the volume down button, and you will have to hold for a couple of seconds until you see the fast boot mode. So now let's press and hold power and volume down. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to see the fast boot mode. So let's see. There we go. Now this is how it looks like. And in this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. So we need to use either of these buttons until we will find recovery mode. And once you see it, press power button to confirm your selected option. Now we need to wait. Your phone is going to restart and soon we should see the no command screen. Most likely we will see it. Let's see if that is truly the case. Yeah, there we go. This is how it looks like. So now what you need to do is you want to press and hold the power button and then press volume up once you hold power button. So we're gonna press and hold power and then press volume up. There we go. And here we have the recovery mode. We can navigate in this menu with the volume buttons as well, just like before. And in order to confirm your selected option, just choose the power button. And in case you want to exit the recovery mode, you just want to choose reboot system now. So make sure that reboot system now is selected over here and press power button to confirm. And then your phone is going to restart and you will be back in the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.